Hi, I'm Dr. Karen of Gold Coast Family Dental. As a leader in quality dental care in Port Washington, I want you to know who we are and what makes us so unique and special. We care about how you were treated. From the very first phone call to your initial visit, we take the time to make sure your experience here is comfortable and your needs are met. We haven't forgotten that the patient comes first. From the moment you walk in, you'll be greeted with a warm and friendly smile. Our staff is professional, helpful, and knowledgeable. We are the leaders in quality dental care. We incorporate all of today's best in dental treatments, from emergency care to cosmetic makeovers. My goal is to give you a great smile for a lifetime.
I was looking for a local dentist, someone close by, and I heard how talented he was. I'm real happy with the work that he's done over the last few years.
We make sure that every patient understands what we see. Our goal is to help every patient achieve and maintain a healthy mouth and a beautiful smile. We are proactive. Our office is equipped with state-of-the-art equipment that can intercept problems before they happen and aid in creating a shared diagnostic experience for all our patients, young and old. I believe that our patients should be very involved in their overall dental health. Only through good communication and education can we achieve a good plan for a healthy and beautiful smile. And that's comforting. We want to provide our patients with a dental office experience like they never had before. In addition to services you'd normally expect from a dentist, we pamper our patients with a soothing, tranquil atmosphere and special spa services. You'll leave with a brighter smile and a tranquil state of mind.
I went from being afraid to looking forward to coming to the dentist. It is a relaxing environment.
I love what I do. The look on my patients' faces is priceless when they see their smile for the very first time. Being a dentist is not just my job, it's my passion. But don't take my word for it. Call and make an appointment today. Let me prove to you that we are the leaders in quality dental care in our community.